Welcome to our channel. If you want to download shows from Discovery Plus to watch offline during travel or when internet isn't available, follow these steps to save content to your device. Step 1. Ensure you have the Discovery Plus mobile app installed on your smartphone or tablet. The download feature is only available on mobile apps for iOS and Android, not on computers or TVs. Step 2. Open the Discovery Plus app and sign in to your account. Make sure you have an active subscription, as downloading content for offline viewing requires a paid membership. Step 3. Browse or search for the show or episode you want to download. Not all content is available for offline viewing due to licensing restrictions, but most popular shows support downloads. Step 4. Tap on the episode or movie you want to download. Look for a download icon, usually represented by a downward pointing arrow, near the play button or in the episode details. Step 5. Tap the download icon to begin downloading the content to your device. The file will save to your app's internal storage, and download time depends on your internet speed and video quality. Step 6. Monitor download progress in the Downloads section of the app. You can access this by tapping on the Downloads tab or icon, typically found in the main navigation menu. Step 7. Adjust download quality settings if needed by going to Settings Download Quality. Choose between Standard, Good, or Best quality based on your storage space and quality preferences. Step 8. To watch downloaded content, go to the Download section and select the episode. Downloads typically expire after 30 days or 48 hours after you start watching, depending on licensing agreements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.